The funded trader has temporarily paused all operations, and today marks a day of just another prop firm going down. This has been a recurring theme. I've made these videos for months now. At first it was kind of vindicating because I was talking about the dangers and trapdoors and pitfalls of the prop industry because I think that there are a lot of bad actors in the space who are basically running online casinos. I've talked about that for years. I talked about it before it became a thing. So I'm kind of cool in that regards. Not many other places in my life. But in that regards, I was early to calling this sort of stuff. And I pat myself on the back a little bit there because I just want to walk you through some of the clues that you can look for in sketchy prop firms as to the ones that are good out there. I do think that there exists some, properly run funds that are not just predatory online casinos. And I'm not saying that I know that about TFT or any specific firm here that I've talked about. Like, I don't know. I haven't dove deep into TFT. There are so many prop firms out there. They are like, a pizza shop on a block full of pizza shops. There's a million of them. But this one was a big one. And so I wanted to do a quick video talking about what we know here so far. So the funded trader has temporarily paused all operations. They say we appreciate your patience and understanding while they work to resume operations. Over the coming week, we will follow with specifics, etc., etc. And I just want to say, in terms of the videos that I make in the prop firm space, right now, the prop firm Armageddon just keeps going on. There's so many funding companies, prop firms, whatever you'd like to call them, that have just been going under. And there's been a couple things that triggered that. Number one, there were so many prop firms all of a sudden that they all tried to start competing each other, and pricing wise, they started trying to be the best one on the block, so they got super competitive, all doing the same business. That made it tight. But then what really exposed some of the weaker ones very quickly was once the MetaQuote stuff started happening, and all the traders who love using MetaTrader could no longer use that because MetaQuote said, yeah, we don't want to be associated with prop firms because we think that they're infringing on US law. That's kind of the pulse check that we've got in terms of the prop industry. That's not news, but that's been around. Anyways, this one going down is a big one because I got flooded with DMs, comments, all sorts of stuff, people saying, hey, TFT is down, are you going to cover it? So we're covering it here. So what I want to show you guys is some of the stuff that I've got in terms of DMs. You guys have been telling me some things about this, so also feel free to comment if you have more to add in the comment section below. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to read this message here from the CEO, this Angelo gentleman. He put out an announcement in the Discord, and I apologize for the grainy picture here. This is the best I've got in terms, I'm not in the Discord, so I was sent this message. I wanted to address you all personally. You have been the lifeblood of TFT. You've fought in battle with me day in and day out for years. You have participated in one of the greatest movements in history and have delivered to me what I dreamed of this community. Wow, what an opening statement. I feel like we're about to start, like we're lining up for battle, and like we're standing on the ridge line and the other armies on the other side. Like, is he riding a horse past us?
On this day, we are going to kill every damn one of those French dogs by raising our bayonets high above our heads, gentlemen. Raise them high.
Being in the position we are in, it completely floors me to say that we have to pause operations of TFT. What does that mean? The most important thing to us is to deliver to all of our existing customers. There is an experience you all have come to love with TFT, and that is our main focus. In pausing our operations, we will be relaunching the brand with a slightly different look and feel. Over the coming week, we will post updates on what this will look like and how this decision affects everyone involved. We know the main points of our community, and those things are what will be addressed in the coming days and weeks. The relaunch of TFT is coming, and earning your trust will be difficult, but we know what it takes. Time for action is now. I want to thank all loyalty and energy, and that's from the CEO. Look at the reactions here. This is kind of terrifying. Look at all of these reactions. So many people, of course, are being affected by this situation, as they are with many other prop firms, which are pausing, pulling back, closing entirely, so on and so forth. Do I know if TFT is coming back or not? No, I don't. I don't know. I mean, they've announced that they have plans to come back, but the problem here is that who are we supposed to trust? The CEO or the Trustpilot reviews and tons of flooding comments and messages about how people are being refused payouts, etc. Again, I have no idea if they're refusing payouts, but I am on the receiving end of the community's sentiment and comments. So I've been seeing just tons of messages, people saying I can't get paid out from various prop firms, but this one has popped up several times. So let me, there is some mention here about leading everyone to getting paid that I can see in this message. You know, I really do hope that for people who have worked really hard to get funded and are owed payouts that they do get it. But it's been a theme recently that people are not getting their payouts, that payouts are, you know, slowly just getting withered away into thin air. So let's keep going. Okay, so I've pulled up the funded traders Trustpilot just to see. You can see it's got a 4-star review, which is of course not bad, but I filtered this because they've been in business for some time. I just filtered by most recent to see what the most recent customers have been saying about this. And I haven't looked at these ahead of time, so let's just see what we're getting. 1 star, I just got scammed and I've lost my challenge fee. I want to say this first of all, I think that with a lot of prop firm stuff, you're probably going to get some reviews that you got to look past, because who knows if they just broke rules and that's why they didn't get paid, or if they actually got scammed. But if you're getting enough bad reviews at a frequent basis, that should tell you something. If you're getting a bad review here and there, that's every business on Trustpilot.com, including ours, right? We get bad reviews every once in a while. But if you're seeing floods of them, that's a different story. So it's very sad that TFT ended, but who didn't expect that? I have 2 accounts purchased from them and not for a small amount of money. This industry is changing significantly. The futures and futures, which we'll talk about in a second. If someone wants to file a class action lawsuit, yeah, crazy. Crazy stuff. Stop removing my review. Don't trust this company. Scam prop firm. Disappointed. Oh, no. Okay. I love TFT, but why did they run? What? Okay. Goodbye TFT. Very bad customer support. TFT is nonsense. What a S show. Angelo made terrible. Scammers. Shut down while I had $11,000 payout. Oh. See, like that's like for some people, that is like life-changing amounts of money that they are not going to get unless something changes. And again, fingers crossed, I really hope that a lot of these prop firms that are shutting down or going away, I hope they come back and I hope they pay out their people. It would be great. I would want that. I would cheer that. And I wowould probably make videos about that. Like I don't want to just make, you know, bad videos about prop firms. I'd like to see some positive stuff. Yeah, the point is, look at this. I mean, this is just scam review after scam review. And again, does that mean the company is completely intending on stealing everyone's money? I don't know. But at some point, you might just get hit with a big message that says, yeah, we are no longer going to come back, right? And a lot of people could lose a lot of money. So it's a messy situation and it's disappointing, but you can definitely see the reviews speak for themselves. The people are very, very unhappy with what's going on, and many people are feeling like they've been ripped off in some way. Now, I've been covering prop firms for a long time now. In fact, when I first got started trading, prop firms weren't really a thing. There was only like 1 or 2 of them. And you know, nowadays with everything that's changed in the prop firm world, MetaQuote's pulled back. They said, we don't want to be associated with just about any prop firm. I know many, many people in the brokerage world and in the prop firm world, and pretty much everyone is like, this just got dropped on us and everyone's dealing with it. On the both on the consumer side as well as on the you know, commercial business side, it was negative for many people. But what's kind of crazy is that the prop firm industry, this was a long time coming, and I think that one thing, I know that this video kind of comes across as like a negative topic, but there is some optimism here. I think that this, in the end, will be good for the prop firm industry. Just like crypto was, right? Where you had this big boom and then a lot of scams like flourished. But then during the crypto doom cycle, right, when it went down for a couple of years there and many SEC kind of regulatory things came into place, it was actually, I think, good for the crypto community. I think something similar is happening in the prop firm industry right now. That being said, in my personal view, there are no prop firms that I know of for Forex traders that accept US clients that I would trust. Okay, here's why I say that. US traders, there is a pretty clear precedent with the MFF situation, my Forex funds, that the US and Canada for that matter seem intent on that not being a thing. You can't offer CFDs to US traders. That is illegal for US traders. You can't do it by proxy, just allowing them to trade prop, right? So that seems to be off the table. My opinion, there's two approaches that you can take if you are looking to get funded. Number one, you can go the futures route. There are futures prop firms out there that you can consider. So number one, go futures. Number two, I've got several brokers down below in the description. I mentioned when I first got started with this stuff that I didn't really think of using prop firms. I had to do it the old-fashioned way. Sign up with a brokerage account and grow things slow and steady, work extra side hustles, work on the weekends, make some extra money, and continue to deposit into my accounts. That's what I've done for years now. I've never really gone the funding route because I was fortunate enough to have, you know, success in areas of life that allowed me to. I was a software engineer, and then I started my own business, and I've started a few businesses that have contributed to the trading accounts that I trade today. My point with sharing that is that you can go that route as well. And if you're looking for some special sign-up perks, down below in the description, I've got several brokers there that you can sign up with, and there's special perks for you there. Those sign-up links have special offers just for you guys. You can trade directly within TradingView. Personally, I really like that route, but I also understand if you are insistent on getting funded that you check out, you know, some of the, if you're in the US, futures firms. And if you're outside of the US, we do also have FX2 as still one of our sponsors here on the channel. I really like the guys over there. They were one of the first ones to move out of the US and Canada when it became obvious that there's not a certain, you know, there's kind of some gray area in that regard. They were one of the first ones early last year to move out of the US, and I thought that was really commendable. The guys there are great, so if you're looking to get funded, I would say if you're in the Forex world outside of the US, FX2, otherwise futures for US, and you could also go the old-fashioned way, which is sign up with a broker. Great ones are, again, linked down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
If you're looking to improve as a trader, we've got some cool free resources here that I wanted to share as we close today's video. Down below in the description, there is a link to join our Discord channel or our Telegram channel, and we also have our website, a1trading.com, where traders can get access to free course material to help you improve as a trader. Remember, we are also live Monday through Friday on this channel around 9:30 a.m. US Eastern, broadcasting most live news events and that sort of thing. So hope to see you there. And also, we do have a couple videos here showing up on the screen. If either of these seems like it might be helpful to you, then make sure to click here or here, and we'll see you there.